Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making cocoa bread. For our ingredients, we have coconut milk, sugar, unsalted butter, salt, yeast, eggs, all-purpose flour, and more unsalted butter to brush on the top. You want to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper and set aside. In a medium bowl, you want to combine your coconut milk, your sugar, your salt, and your butter. You want to add melted butter. Pour into a large mixing bowl and add your yeast and mix. Then add the egg. You want to stir your flour and form a soft dough. You want to turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes. You want to place the dough into a greased bowl. You want to cover your dough with a little bit of oil. And you want to cover your bowl with a clean cloth and let it rise in a warm place anywhere from 1 to 2 hours or until double. You want to transfer the dough to a lightly floured board or surface. You want to cut the dough into about 10 equal pieces and roll each dough into a ball. Then you want to roll each piece with a rolling pin out to about 6 to 7 inches in diameter, about 1/8 or 1/4 inch thick. You want to brush the dough with melted butter and then fold in half and brush again. You want to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. You want to preheat your oven to 350, and you want to bake anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes or until nicely brown on the top. You want to remove from the oven and let it cool for about 5 minutes and brush again with butter. We have made cocoa bread. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.